Hello everybody, welcome to Tom's Tips, and today we're going to have a quick look at a microversion. Now a microversion is a bit like an immersion heater. It goes in the top of your cylinder, it's got a cylinder nut there, so go in, screw down, and instead of the cylinder being heated by electricity, it's being heated from the boiler, because the water from the boiler is coming in here and it's going out there. You don't see many of these today. There was a way of using your existing cylinder. Sorry, I can't find my words. There was a way of using your existing cylinder. Instead of going buying a new cylinder, and it's costing you a lot of money, put one of these in and you could get away with using your old cylinder. It was a cost-cutting device. Probably late 70s, early 80s. And they were good. You don't see many about today. But if you come across them, you know what it is now. If that's going in the cylinder like that, it's called a microversion. So let's have a quick look at this and show you how it works. This is how it works. This is your boiler floor. This is where your hot water's coming from your boiler. And it connects to the outer tube. This is two tubes put together and it's sealed. So the outer tube is where the hot water is coming in. And that spreads it along there and it heats up the water in the direct cylinder, because it'll be a direct cylinder. This is the whole point of putting this in, to save you buying an indirect cylinder. This will make this separates the water, so your water from your boiler never mixes with the water from your cylinder. The water from your cylinder is up in the middle there and it's outside here. This is your water coming in from your boiler. It's boiling hot, it heats it up. This is your return, so they'll be slightly cooler at first, but as the temperatures level out, that'll be warm as well. So they work really well and they save you that cost of a new cylinder. And there was a lot around a lot at one time. You won't see many today. So there you go. There's bleed valves on the top, lets the air out. So just bit of education for you there. I'll see you all again sometime.